Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today's recipe is an Indian style mild curry with masoor dal and spring onions. Dal is also known as red lentils. To make this recipe, take a shallow bottom saucepan, heat oil and add one whole or chopped onion. Once the onions are cooked and turned translucent, add ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon and keep stirring until it starts to change color. Add sliced chilies, fry for a minute and then add the spring onions. It's very important to chop and wash spring onions before adding to the mixture. Add half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and washed half cup masoor dal. Combine them all together and pour 150 ml water. Sprinkle salt as per taste and leave to cook for about 5 minutes. Cover it with a lid. Keep an eye on the pan and stir every few minutes. Add more liquid if required. At the end, add some water if the curry is too thick and adjust the consistency as per the requirement. Now our recipe is ready to be served with chapati or roti. Happy cooking! Stay safe, stay healthy.